Hey learners, welcome to Nexel learners. I hope you all are fine. So basically इस सीरीज में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं CBSE बेस्ड सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर 2025 to 26 स्टूडेंट एंड दिस इज द बेसिकली पार्ट 2 और इस पार्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन 11 to क्वेश्चन 20 all the questions in detail. So here is the question 11 on the screen. Let's start the question. If the area of base of a right circular cone is 51 centimeter, so it is given as, let me draw the diagram first. So as you can see the diagram as well. So the area of the base, as we know, the base of a circular cone is circle. So area of circle is given as area of a circle, as you all know, pi r square, and it is given as 51 centimeter square. And its volume of a circular cone is given as 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equal to 85 centimeter square, and you need to find the height of the cone. So let's put the value of pi r square as 51 in this formula. So 51 multiply h is equal to 85, and if I solve this, so I'll get the value of h as 85 upon 3, 85 multiply 3 upon 51. So if I solve this, I'll get the value of h is equal to 5 centimeter. So the height of the cone is 5 centimeter. Now let's move to the next question. If 0 of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a and c not equal to 0, are equal. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are equal, then we know discriminant d should be given as b square minus 4ac, and if the zeros are equal, so b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So if I calculate the value of b square here, so b square should be equal to 4ac. So as we know, b square cannot be negative. If b square cannot be negative, then 4ac should not be negative as well. तब 4ac भी should negative नहीं होना चाहिए. So 4ac, if 4ac should not be negative, so a and c sign will be either positive sign or both should be negative sign. Both should be negative sign. There only, hence only 4ac should be positive. So a and c must be same sign. So here option D should be correct. Now let's move to the next question. The area in centimeter square of a sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter cut off by an arc of length 22 centimeter is. हमको एरिया फाइंड करना है जो जिसकी रेडियस दी हुई है 21 सेंटीमीटर एंड द आर्क ऑफ लेंथ 22 सेंटीमीटर, और ये जो आर्क की लेंथ है वो दी हुई है 22 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी नो द लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क. Length of arc of a circle is given as theta upon 360 multiply 2 pi r, and it is given as 22 centimeter. Now if I solve this, so I'll get 22 is equal to theta upon 360 multiply 2 multiply pi value 22 upon 7 multiply r value is given as 21. Now if I solve this, so I'll get my theta's value as 60 degree. Now area of required sector. So area of required sector is given as theta upon 360 multiply pi r square, and you know theta's value we have already calculated. So if I put the all the values in the equation, so it is given as 60 upon 360 multiply pi 22 upon 7 multiply r 21 multiply 21, and if I solve this, so I'll get my value as 231 centimeter square. Hence option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. If triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, both the triangles are given are similar. AB is equal to given as 6 centimeter, DE 9 centimeter, EF 6 centimeter, and FD is 12 centimeter. Then the parameter of ABC. You need to find the parameter of this triangle basically. So now If I solve this question, as we know, if two triangle are similar, so sides should be proportional, and if side should be proportional, so I can write the side as AB upon DE should be equal to BC upon EF should be equal to AC upon DF. Now put all the values, and if I solve this question, so AB is given as 6 upon DE is given as 9 is equal to BC. BC is not given, so keep it as it is. BCEF is given as 6. AC is not given to us. DF is 12. So if I solve this, first let's take these two to find the value of BC. So if I take these two, I'll find the value of BC as BC is equal to 6 multiply 6 upon 9, and if I solve this, so I'll get BC as 4 centimeter. So now my BC is 4 centimeter, and if I take these two, if I take 6 upon 9 is equal to AC upon 12, so I'll get my AC as 8 centimeter. So AC should be 8 centimeter. Now if I want to calculate the parameter of a triangle, so as we know, the parameter of a triangle, the sum of its sides. So let's add the side of AB plus BC and plus AC, and if I add or put all the values, so AB is 6, BC as 4, and AC as 8, so I'll get my parameter as 18 centimeter. Hence option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. If the probability of letter chosen at random from the letter of the word mathematics to be a vowels is 2 upon 2x plus 1, then the value of x, you need to basically find the value of x, and एक वर्ड हमको दिया है मैथमेटिक्स, और उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमको दी हुई है कि उसमें से अगर हम वोवल्स यूज करते हैं तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 2 अपॉन 2x plus 1. So now total letters in mathematics, the word is given as mathematics. So total letters is 11, and the number of vowels in this number of vowels is given as 4. A, E, A, I. So the probability of vowels should be 4 upon 11, and 4 upon 11 is also given as 2 upon 2x plus 1. So now put these two probability as equal, because वो भी vowels को find करने की probability है और जो हमने solve की है ये भी, and if I solve this equation, so I'll get my value as 8x plus 4 is equal to 22, and if I solve this for x, so I'll get my value of x is equal to 9 upon 4. Hence option B is the correct. Now let's move to the next question. Points A 90, B 9 minus 6, C minus 90, and D minus 6 and 9. Basically 4 points are given to us, are the vertices of a square, rectangle, parallelogram and trapezium. तो हमको ये बताना है कि ये जो 4 पॉइंट्स हैं ये किस रेक्टेंगल किस शेप के पॉइंट्स हैं. So if I plot all these points on a plane, so my plane look like this. Let me draw the plane as well. So as you know, I have drawn my plane. Now let's plot these points. First is 9 and 0. So 9 0 will be here. 9 and 0. Second is 9 and minus 6. So 9 and minus 6 will be here. 9 and minus 6. Now let's next point is minus 9 and 0. So minus 9 0 will be here on this, and the last is minus 9 and 6. So minus 9 and 6 will be here. And if I connect all these points, so my shape will look like this. Now let's check for a square. So as you know, in a square all sides should be equal length, so these are not equal length, so this is not a square. Now check for rectangle. As we know, the all the angles in a rectangle should be equal, should be 90 degree, the right angle. So hence these angles are not 90-degree angles, so this is not a rectangle. And for a trapezium, the trapezium will look like this, will look like this. So this is not a trapezium as well. Now let's check for parallelogram. So it is a parallelogram because parallelogram shape will be look like this. So answer option C is correct. Now let's move to the next question. The median offset of a 9 distinct observation is 20.5. If each of the observation is set to increase by 2, then the median of a new set. सो हमको बताना है कि बेसिकली 9 ऑब्जर्वेशंस हमको दिए हुए हैं और उनका मीडियन हमको दिया है 20.5. सो एंड आफ्टर दिस हर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन में हमने 2 ऐड किया है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, दिस इज अ ट्रिक, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट एवरी ऑब्जर्वेशन इज एडेड इंक्रीज बाय 2, सो मीडियन इज आल्सो इंक्रीज बाय 2, hence option A is correct. Now let's move to the next question. The length of a tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter. So the circle of radius 9 centimeter is given. Its radius is 9 centimeter from a point at a distance of 41 centimeter from the center of the circle is. We need to find the length of tangent drawn to a circle of radius 9 centimeter. हमको एक सर्कल दिया है, उसकी रेडियस हमको 9 सेंटीमीटर दी हुई है एंड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ 41 सेंटीमीटर. हमको डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है 41 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस से हमको टेंजेंट की लेंथ फाइंड करनी है. बेसिकली वी नीड टू फाइंड इन दिस बी सी. सो हमको बी सी फाइंड करनी है. सो बाय अ थ्योरम वी नो दैट a line drawn from the center to a tangent is perpendicular to that tangent, and if the line are perpendicular, so angle OBC should be equal to 90-degree angle. This angle basically is a right angle, and if the angle is right angle, so triangle OBC should be right angle triangle. And if right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. So we know Pythagoras theorem says OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. And after putting the value, so 51 is 41 square is equal to OB is given as 9 square plus we need to find BC square. And if I solve this, so I'll get my value BC is 40 centimeter, hence option A is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. It's a assertion and reason type of question. The number of 5's power n cannot end with the digit 0 where n is a natural number. Now if n is a natural number, so n value should be start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And if I put the value in this equation of n, so f1 means n1, that is basically 5. If I write 5's power 2, so that will be 25. Is if I write 5 power 3, so it will be 125. So as we know, we are getting 5 at the end, so the digit 0 and with this 0 where n is a natural number cannot end, so this cannot be end with 0, hence my observation is true. Now for the reason a number ends with 0 if its prime factorization contains both 2 and 5. So as we know, if a number's prime factorization contain 2 and 5, so that number should be end with 0, so hence the reason is also true. So this is also true and this is true. Now let's move to the next question. Assertion says if cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then sin square a plus sin 4a is equal to 1 as well. So we need to solve this to get the correct answer. So cos a plus cos square a is given as 1. Now if I write it as cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, and if we know a trigonometric property, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, so I can write it as sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So for from this 1 minus cos square a should be sin square a, put the value in this, so this will be sin square a and this is cos a. And if I write cos square a, so it will be written as sines sine power 4a. So if I put all these value in this equation, so I'll get my equation as sine square a plus sine 4a is equal to 1. Hence, assertion is true. Assertion is true. And reason, this is simple a formula of trigonometric. So we have used this formula here. So reason is also true, because if I use this, because by using this formula only we can get this. So both are true. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe next gen learners. इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेक्शन बी, जिसमें हम सॉल्व करेंगे सेक्शन बी के कुछ क्वेश्चन. Till then you can practice this and you can learn this. Thank you so much.
Learning made easy, one class at a time. If this helped you today, stay connected. More smart learning is just a click away. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next Gen Learners. See you in the next one. Bye.